Hi guys, it's Jordan Jonas Sparks. Welcome back to my channel. So I am super excited today because my new TruSmile Veneers finally came in the mail. If you are interested in that, make sure to give this video a thumbs up and press subscribe so that you don't miss another video. I've been waiting for so long and I am so excited. Can you hear them? They're in there. They're in there. They're clanking around. So basically there was a hurricane that took place in Florida, so they had like a huge delay on everything through post, through their actual office I guess was destroyed, and making the veneers and everything, so bless and send your prayers out to them that everything is going to be fine. They're back in business and they've sent my veneers, so these are my teeth. This is why I got the veneers. But because I'm missing this tooth. So I currently just wear like this tiny little piece that covers those 3 teeth. Let's get into it. Do you guys like my makeup today? I don't know what was really inspiring this look, but oh geez, they really seal her in there good, don't they? And if you're getting these brand new, you'll get more in your package than just this, but they're just remaking my veneers for me, so. Oh, what the heck? Oh, the mirror broke off. Well, that sucks. They come with like this cute little compact mirror. Hopefully yours isn't broken. They sent me a remake of the veneers, and these ones are in like the natural white color. And they look basically exactly the same as the last ones, so hopefully they still fit and everything is good. And they just sent me like an upper set because I already have the bottom. Okay, so this is before. And give you guys a close-up. So they cover all the way to this very back tooth here, and then that's my normal tooth. On this side, it's all the way, including this tooth. So this is my new smile. Don't worry if you're getting them. If you have like a lisp or anything, it'll go away like really quickly. As you can tell, my lisp is like going away within a few seconds. So this is the new pair. I don't know why I keep clicking my mouth, but I am super excited. I'm gonna try them on with like a pair of bottoms in the natural color. So here's a natural pair of bottoms. You don't necessarily have to wear them all the time like that, but they will last longer for sure if you wear the top and the bottom together at the same time, so it's not like grinding against your real teeth. Alright. I don't usually wear the bottoms just because I don't need them. I only literally wear these to cover up that one tooth because the rest of my smile is basically fine now since I got my dental work done. So, yeah, what's up? But yeah, this is my TruSmile Veneers unboxing video. I'm going to make like a review, I guess, later. I will do like updates and stuff. So if you are interested in that, make sure to give this video a thumbs up and press subscribe. If you don't want to miss any of the TruSmile Veneers videos, make sure to hit that bell notification so that you actually get like a notification to your inbox when I post a video. And whoo, look at that crazy hair. Honey, whoo, she crazy. And yeah, that is it for this video. Let me know what you think of the TruSmile Veneers in the comments below. Are you ordering them? Do you have a pair on the way? Are you considering it? I think they're perfect. Perfect. I'm so excited. Yay! I'm so excited, and I just can't fight it. No, okay, anyways, it is time to go. So I hope you guys like this video. As always, make sure to be weird, be wild, and stay sparkly. And I'll catch you guys in the next video. Okay, bye.